Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Target gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up any web browser, go to target.com. Now this is the official website of Target. And now from here you want to sign in or create an account. So for this demonstration I'm going to create a new account for Target. So I'm going to fill out all this form here with my email address, first name, last name, mobile number and password, and then I'm going to click on create account. So I'm going to pause the video and get back to you once that is done. Alright, I filled out this form. Now I'm going to click on create account. Alright, that's all been done. You can see I'm logged in here now. Now what you want to do is click onto your profile. So I'm going to click on my profile and then I want to click into account. And now once I'm in the account section of Target, I'm going to scroll down and look for an option that says gift cards. So as it says here, keep your gift cards safe, add them to your account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add gift card. And now I'm going to put in the gift card number here. There's an access number. So there's a 15-digit gift card number you jot in, your access number, and then click on add. And it says here, gently remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal both the card and the access number. And it's got a little demonstration here too. And once you've done that, click on add, and that gift card will be activated on your account.